Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Today we will explore some exciting effects named Pathfinder in Adobe Illustrator that are very useful and can help create interesting objects for logos or backgrounds. We can use these effects from our right panel. If you cannot see this type of window, ensure you have selected Essential Classic Workspace. You can find this option in the Windows tab and then Workspace. You can change your workspace according to your preferences. You can also find the Pathfinder option in Effects tab. Please remember that the Pathfinder option will only show up in the right panel when you have selected two or more objects or shapes. Let's draw some shapes and explore these options one by one. The first one is Unite. It will combine and merge two shapes into a single object or shape. The second one is minus front. It will remove that area containing the first shape. The next one is Exclude. It will remove that particular area shared among two or more objects. The next one is Intersect. It is the opposite of Exclude. It will keep the intersecting area shared by objects and remove the other remaining parts of shapes. The next one is minus back, which is the opposite of the minus front option. It will remove the area containing objects at the back. Now you can go and explore the other remaining options and create some exciting objects with help of these effects. We will also use them in our next videos. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Take care.